Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, good evening. I greet to my respected lecturer, Ms. Haswini. Okay, this is me, Muhammad Hafiz bin Mohtar. My sheet number is 173828. This is my 11 self-reflection video for week 11. Okay, for Lex 2014, which is travelogue. Okay, based on our last group discussion, which is group discussion week 11, we have made some amendment on our design of our booklet. For our booklet, there is second theme, which is food hunting theme. We made some amendment on the background. Okay, previously the background we have choose is the black color, but we have decided to make it look more bright, so we choose a brown color or like a silver color. And then we decide also to put add more picture on our booklet to make it looks clearly that is our team is food hunting team, I think. And then for the style of the handwriting, we have decided to do handwriting beside of computer writing, which is more safe cost to us, because when we do computer writing, we need a lot of we need to print our booklet, which is require higher cost compared to the handwriting. Okay, on the we also discuss the cover page of our booklet, so we decide to put a picture also on our cover page. And then uh, and then the other else, we do not make the amendment, because we follow the previous the discussion that we made, so we all agree of that. Okay, all of us, I think, give their good opinion on this design of our second booklet. So I'm satisfied with the design of second booklet. So we will show to you later. Okay, thank you.